5th? Oh man, I actually have to I have to run a quick errand. I'll be right back. Give me like 3 minutes. Okay, I'm back. Jobless numbers and equity open in 1 minute 10 seconds. Let's see what we can do. When I see the numbers, it's always like 30 seconds after they actually come out because I'm just using the briefing.com website. That's okay. There's like billion-dollar bots that are also trading these jobless numbers. And that'll be in 1 minute. Okay, as far as price, having this hourly downtrend, did we start? Yeah, it looks like we're gonna dump on the daily. We might have like one more stop squeeze. See what these jobless numbers are. If they're bad, we could have a nice dump because we're really setting up for one. 15 is oversold though. The 5 also oversold. What do we bounce off of? 90s. Oh, that's a great spot to bounce off of. All right, here comes the open. Let's see what we got. I don't really have a direction in mind yet. I'm thinking down overall, but we're having a 5-minute engulfing here. 21. I'm gonna go ahead and get into this short. Turn off the fills. Okay, we're in the money. That's good. Should be adding to it though, which I'm not doing. Okay, just added to it a little bit up here. See if we get continuation of the downside. A little bit. Nice. Got out of one there. I'm just gonna go ahead and get out of another one. This one I'll hold for 85s, I guess. Let's just say 94s. Oh shit. That's not what I wanted to happen. Once again, trading without brackets. Oh, what did I just do? I feel like did I just get into 2 somehow? I didn't know I was in 2. Interesting. I'm just gonna go ahead and get out of it. Okay, let's see. 900 was a big bounce point yesterday, so let's go ahead and just get long over 900s because it's showing some good resistance here. Okay, just got stopped out for like 1 point. Let's see if it gets down to 85s. I love buying some 85s. Looks like it bounces. Well, it bounced off 90s, not 85, so let's get short. We'll have a 10-point stop on this. Of course, it's probably too tight, but we'll see. Put this stop in. Okay. Alright, we're in short. Looks like we're breaking through 85s. It's nice. Just got stopped out there because I really think it might bounce here. Oh, maybe not. No. Had to get out there. Okay, showing some bounce. Got in long again. I really want to just buy these 85s and see a reversal. Not much volatility off the open today. Okay, so there's our reversal off 85s. Only went up to 99 so far. Got out probably a little bit prematurely. Let's see. Okay, bounced off of like 99s to the downside. Looks like it's being rejected. Big engulfing downward 5-minute candle. Should have flipped up there. Okay, let's flip. Let's get short under 85s. Alright, looks okay so far. Ah, come on now. Put my stop as it's coming back, and that ended up screwing me. Well, not screwing me, but just giving me a really small winner. Oh, Is it going back up? Okay, let's add to it. Looks good. See if we get some continuation here. Alright, just got out of one, like really prematurely there. 65. Love me some 65s. 1T2, so it's about 10 points right now. 72. Got about 8 points there. Let's get short under 65s. 68.50 stop. Really tight here. And move the stop in the money. Nice. Very nice. 60 stop. Let's refocus here. Yeah, okay. Wait a minute, was that just like 2 points or something? Get short under 60s. Oh man, it came off of 53s though. Let's see, we're gonna stop at 63. Might be a little bit too tight again. So far looks good for a continuation to the downside again. Maybe not 61. What did we just do? Did we just bounced off 53s? Oh, all right, 4 or 5 minutes in, already probably 30, 30 trades. No, 25 trades. So far, a small day. So that was a 50 bounce. We were really oversold. Not sure why I was looking to continue to short. Maybe because just expecting the trend to continue indefinitely or something. But 50s is a great psych level for a reversal. Big one. I would say most reversals happen there. Okay, let's try getting short again. Keep it under. What are we going to keep it under? What did it bounce off of? 81s. Okay. Should be adding to this. Let's see. If we get back up over 70s, I'll add to it. Okay, stop myself out there for a little 20 bucks. 69, can't even get up to 75 it looks like. Let's put our stop in. Where is our stop? 83s. Okay. All right, we got in with 2 now. Down to 60. Okay, it's kind of respecting nothing really. It's good. See if we can get 10 points out of this. Close enough. Got out of one there for 15 or so. 5 point trailing stop. Oh my gosh, a little too tight. Let's get short again. Under 60s. Quite tight. All right, stopped out. So that was another 17, 19, and then 6 loss. Let's do a trailing entry here. 62s. I didn't like how that got me in. That wasn't very cool. Don't like that. So yeah, I tried shorting a few times already and I got burned. So I'm just going to start getting long now. So far, still crawling. Ah. Oh my gosh, I'm getting burned on both sides here. Hmm. So there's a 75 bounce to the downside, creating a bit of a flag here. I don't like this lack of trend here. Let's get long. Oh my gosh, I just got long a lot. Way too much. Okay, I clearly need to slow my roll. I think I'm negative on the day now. No. Still though, my hold time, average hold time has probably been like 44 seconds, so that needs to be raised. Let's get short 63s. I think this looks dumpy. What's this previous immediate high? 71s. That's fine. I can play this under 75. So let's work a wider stop. So that was 63s we got in. We want at least 53s here. It looks like it's going to break, yeah. Oh, quick break and then a... Had to get out there. Keep this under 60 though. I need to start getting in two. Let's see. Let's get short again. 53s. Just looks super heavy right now. Let's hold this a little bit. Yeah. That was 17 loss. Lame. So yeah, I mean this 50 level is starting to show a lot of wicks. Is this a level on a higher time frame? Oh yeah, it is. Big demand zone. This is the 60 level that I've been seeing. Oh man. All right, yeah, we should probably go long on this. Came down to 48 though, so it's been eaten into a little bit. Well, I don't know if you guys saw that. It looks like my platform almost crashed. So what was the low? 48s? We'll use a 5-point stop on this. So let's just say 55s. Kind of a wide one. It's almost 10 points. 49s. So I'm going to be looking to snag some, even though it didn't even respect 85s. So this is a pretty strong down move. I feel like I haven't done anything. Down 650 on the day. 10 minutes in. Oh man, beautiful. Let's just get short. Oh, see if we hit 25s at least. I'm totally getting in a terrible spot though. Really chasing it here. Oh, let's get out of one at 35 so it comes up there. 32s. Let's just see if we get one at 25s. Come on, little guy. No, wrong way. Come on. Violence. Show me some violence. All right, there we go. Got one for roughly 10 points. Keep it here. 25. Entry was 32. Okay, so it wasn't quite 10 points. 25 is a great bounce area. Could this be it? 25. What was the previous? Kind of want to get long here. Let's see. Okay. 2 contracts long from 26. Let's just put a 1 at a break-even stop and another one at new lows. What? Did I just get out? Oh no, I just got in another one. That was weird. Must have had a stop up there that I forgot about. Oh, now my average is way the hell up there. Okay, I still think we're bouncing. Oh, maybe not anymore. Okay, got stopped out of that one. Dang, this one's really... Might as well put it at new lows, yeah? Looks like we're gonna totally hit it though. 20s is a great level. 15s I feel like is a stronger bounce level though. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll... Oops, did I just get stopped out? I did. Let's get short. I think we're coming down to 20 or 15s. It's really not the type of price action that I need right now, or that I'm good with. It's too noisy in my opinion. Maybe I just have a bad read. Oh, you know what? I didn't even check the numbers. Yeah, see, look at this. Starts coming down and starts coming back up. Oh, that's not what I meant to do. A little bit of a mouse slip there. Down 28. Almost 15 minutes in. So let's see. Initial claims for jobless were lower than consensus, lower than Briefing.com's forecast by about 20,000, which is pretty nice. Previous was 223K, and it was 204K, 204,000. Continuous claims also came down. Pretty good sign for the economy, I think, unless people just fall off after, a certain amount of benefits and then it's a totally useless metric. Okay, 25 bounce right there was really solid. I should have gotten in there, so what I'm going to do is try to... I was too busy talking, but that was a beautiful, beautiful bounce off 25s. Let's see if any other numbers here are supported. Kind of want to just try getting long over 40. 40 is a nice, nice level. What? Did you see that? I just got stopped out. Didn't even tick down there though, as far as I could tell. Really weird. I want to see this go through 50s. It's so noisy right now. Oh my god. What just came out? I don't know what the hell that was. Let me get out of everything. Oh. I'm totally gambling here. This is bad. Just stop this madness. I'm short now. Let me put a stop up here at 42s. Okay, looks good so far. Yeah. Man, this price action today. No fun. Getting short. I'm gonna keep short under 35s. You gotta be really patient with today's price action. Hmm. How far did it go in the money? About almost 10 points. I'm gonna get another one. Seems like that was a pullback. I may be completely wrong, but you know, comes with the territory. Still short two. It's respecting 25s. Definitely trying to drill through it though. Nice. Let's just put one at 18s. Cool. Got taken out there for one. Probably like 15 bucks. What are you doing? Wrong way, sir. Alright, let me get short another one. Looks like it's nice downward pressure. Stop at 30. Short two. Oh man, my freaking arm's falling asleep. That's crazy. Just on the keyboard. Oh my gosh. Alright, today's looking pretty crap. Oof, 80 down. I might be done. Let's try this one more time. I'm going to keep it to one contract until I get some wins. To get 20. Okay. See if we can get down to 10s or something. My goodness. There's a noise a thing. Wait, it just came down to 15s. That's a good bounce spot in my opinion. Okay, now it's bouncing off 25s. This is too choppy for me, man. Look at this. What is this crap? I guess we're coming down still. The hourly's bleak, right? Getting short because I think it's just going to drill down through 15s. It was like a perfect touch on it though. Pretty perfect. Ah, that is not where I want to be long from. I was trying to flip, but I was quite slow. Was that the pullback to get people out, or was that the push up of a new trend? So was it a short squeeze, or was it a reversal? That's what we need to know. And it's really just in the middle right now. This is really just a no trade zone, it would seem. Oh, how did that go? 38s. Hmm. I'm gonna flip. Yeah, nice. Okay, so intuition was correct there. Gonna keep this at a trailing stop of 5 points. Okay, stopped out there for 18. Made back some. Looks like it might be. Oh, I was gonna say it's holding over 30s, but it's not. Okay, let's get short. And we'll have a stop over 33s. Is that too tight? That might be too tight. Yeah, 35s is good. 5 point stop. Yeah. Oh, got back in at the same price. It looks like 25 is being respected now, right? Very tough to trade this for me. What? I'm down more. Oh my gosh. All right, if I hit 100 down, I'm just going to stop on the day. So far, my holding time has just been crap, though. I'm not satisfied with that. So this definitely looks like at least a temporary reversal of price. The 60 level is what I think it's going to come up to. Did it do that already? I think it's going to do it again. Okay, so we'll play a giant. We'll have this one kind of big monster play. We'll see. 32 over 15s. Target of 60. And I'm actually go ahead and I'm going to add to it. Ooh, it's a good spot to add. Okay. So since I'm in two now, just leave one 30s, huh? Don't have any stops, and this is bad. All right, let me get a stop in. Okay, we're getting a nice little push up. That's nice. Might be rebounding off 40s, so let's get out of one. It's not rebounding off 40s. It's going to 60s. Yay! 45s, 50. I'll stop here at 48. Yeah, I don't mind that. And I'll put an entry over 50 in case we want to go higher. I'll have a stop of 5 points. Okay, whoops. Hmm. Ugh. I think I just gave back that entire winner. What are we doing? We bouncing off 40s? Let's try bounce off 40s. Stop at 38s. It's kind of a tight stop. This is a resistance level from these previous highs, or support level, I should say. So I still think this is good for a long. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, so kind of, I should have waited for this little bounce, you know? So now we should see nothing under 36. So I'll keep one stop here at say 30, yeah, 39.50, and the other one I'll put at 36, under 36. I really want to be holding this for longer. Get some continuation in here. Move this down just a little bit. Okay, well now I'm going to move it up. 49s. It's over 10 points. I'll take that. The other one I'll put at break even. Let's see. What do we want to do? Still long up to 60s. 53. It's getting pretty comfortable up at this 50 level. I'm gonna go ahead and just get out of that. Let's see. I'm not feeling too good about it. So here we go. Another bounce off 40 possibly. Let's see, we'll hold this over 36s. Let's see what we get here. RSI is kind of indecisive, I guess. It's crawling up though. It hasn't peaked. But what I'm anticipating is a peak. Oh, we're also turning on the 5. See how 30 seconds left in this 5-minute bar. So let's see where it closes. If it closes engulfing to the upside, that's great. then we can hold this for a little bit longer. If it's just going to be a pin to the upside, then that's just more indecision. Okay, cool. Looks like an engulfing 5-minute bar. 10 minutes left in this bar, or 10 seconds left in this bar. Okay, so it is an engulfing bar, big time. Okay, 5-minute bar just closed. I'm gonna go ahead and get out of it. I, what am I doing? That was a beautiful, beautiful spike. So, okay, so as the 5-minute closed, it was like registered in a bunch of like AIs or something, probably like to buy after this engulfing. I should really be looking at time more as a indicator. Time is a beautiful indicator. For minute bars and I think 5-minute bars are much more digestible. So this is a pinner, it looks like. Man, that would have been great to get another 20 points. Jeez. All right, let's see if we can get a little bit here. 52. We're in 59s. Ooh. RSI on the 5-minute is very oversold. Oh my God. Put a stop in there. Just added another one to it. I'm gonna put my stop at 53. Oh no. Where did it get up to? 75s? Wow. Beautiful. Okay, we've got about 3 minutes, 30 seconds left in this 5-minute bar. If we get up 10 points, then I will get out of one for 10 bucks, or 20 bucks, I guess. Yeah, 67.25s. All right, not looking so good. Hmm. Okay, looking better, looking better. That's nice. There we go. Cool. We'll put a break even. Actually, I'll make a trailing stop here. 30 bucks is a lot of money, so I will have a trailing stop of 4 or 5 points. Stopped out for 20 bucks and 16 bucks. Not too bad. So let's see what happens at 85s, or if it even gets up there. Still an upturn. So yeah, this was definitely something I should have held longer, just because that's what I need to practice. What was the hold on that last trade? Okay, all right, they are getting longer. That's good. Getting close to my stop time now. Look at this. Gross, I'm up. Net, I'm down. Down 8 bucks. Kind of a scratch day. Definitely could have held that. I was correct about a bounce on the 5-minute. So this engulfing bullish candle on the 5-minute, man, as soon as that candle closed, it rallied another 20 points. And then as this 5-minute bar, this next bar is closing, so it like rallied, created a pin, and then it came down, messed around, and now it's filling out this bar. So I need to keep that in mind. This is after a huge down move of 200 points, over 200 points. Okay, so it came up to, oh man, 85s? Oh, jeez, perfect level. All right, I have to get short for that. I'm going to short into 85s if we push up again. Man, that was a beautiful touch. Okay, okay, I'm gonna hold this. I'm gonna hold this for a bit. 5-minute bar is gonna close here in a minute 10, and that came up to 85 on the dot. So I think this is good for like 100 points. An 85 on the dot bounce is typically pretty strong. And we're in this huge downtrend, at least on the 5 and on the higher time frames too. Oh, and the hourly closes here in a minute as well. The hourly probably wants to close on the downside. I don't know. So remember, we're going to short into 85s. a target of like 0 or something. So we don't care about 10 bucks. As this pulls into 85, we'll short, but it needs to get into the 80 to 85 range for me to load up more, or at least high 70s. Yeah, look at this, breaking trend, beautiful. So if you were to draw a trend line right here on the bottom side, can I do that? Can I draw a trend line? No, I don't think so. So you see how it had this trend it was bouncing off of, and then once it broke it, it retested it, and then came down. Wow, it's going to retest it a second time. I have not, I have seen this pattern actually. So what it can do is it can grind up even higher on the bottom side of that same trend line, and it can continue for a long time. Did I just miss an 80 touch? I did. God damn it. Too busy talking. Should have just had something sitting there. Shoot. Dang. Okay, so we're on a new 5-minute bar. The last 5-minute bar that closed was a pinner. Not a huge pinner, but 50-50 pinner. Shows weakness to the upside, which is good for us. I'm telling you, man, those 85 bounces. It's respected the CMA once. It's respecting it again, possibly. Actually, it's respected it 1, 2. So this will be a third time. Okay, here's our chance to load up. And let's see. Okay, so we're in from 76 for 2. This is basically risking about 40 bucks, which is kind of a lot. Let's do that. Basically new highs, and I'm out. It does look like it might keep grinding upwards, which is unfortunate, but so far still respecting 85s. Stay short. Man, it's just tested it multiple times though, making me pretty iffy about the 85 level. The larger trends are down now. Damn. Just got stopped out for a big, roughly $40 loser. Only down 50 on the day though, so whatever. It's past 9 o'clock, so it's really my quitting time. It's 85 to the downside got rejected. So it came down past the trend, retested the old trend line, came down further, but refused to make a new low. So let's see, we still have 3 minutes or so in this bar. Oh wow, it just came off of, that's a pretty good touch. That's a great touch actually, right off of O's. 97s I guess in this case. Pretty good psych level. Okay, we're under 85, so I'm just gonna get short a little bit more. If we can get under 80s, I'll feel really comfortable. Nice. Oh, we're not under it though. Frick. Let's get down there. What are you doing? Might see a huge bounce here. This will be a flip. What was that, 80s? So yeah, we're going to grind on the underside of this trend line. You see how now we're kind of under it? And at some point we're going to disconnect and have a down move. This really looks like, I don't know. It's hard to tell. Volume isn't really picking up or anything. Yeah. Trying to practice holding longer, so I'm just going to sit in this. The problem with holding longer is it forces me to have wider stops, which I don't like doing. Like this is a 8-point stop, which isn't even that big, but to me it kind of is. So now it's respecting 85s as resistance. Yeah, of course. All right, I'm getting kind of impatient. That's why I just loaded up on a bunch. Kind of a dangerous thing to do. All right, down to 2 again. Man, this price action is just boring as hell. Ugh, guess we'll hold under 85s. It seems like it's bouncing off 75s though. This last one will hold under 85s. I'm just going to put the stop there. And once again, I need to practice holding this longer. So I'm going to play this for new lows. I'm going to play this on the 5 minute. So here we have the 5 minute bar just closed. I would say that's a kind of a pinner. You have a body that is, how big is that body? Nice, look at this. Great little breakdown. Didn't add to it though, but this is what I was waiting for this whole time. And instead of just, I did get stopped out multiple times. I don't know. I guess I played it okay. Played the 85 level and then I played the 0 level, but I was just really late on that entry. I wasn't anticipating. You know what happened? I stopped out and then I immediately started thinking about. I remember I moused over these. I started thinking about what my P&L is for the day, and I missed the next opportunity, which was a bounce off of 97s. So yeah, some great thing to learn is to keep looking for the next opportunity. Right now, I want to see what my P&L is, but I know it's extremely distracting, and it wouldn't help at all. Look at this. Look how low the RSI gets, and then it just kind of continues downward. I'm gonna wait for a little pullback so I can add, because this 5 minute bar looks really, really nice. With any luck, we'll have an engulfing, because this is engulfing to the downside, but maybe we'll have it engulf multiple candles, which would be really cool. If it engulfs these two, that'd be really nice. I don't know about a trailing stop right now. 62s, interesting. Did we bounce off 50s on the dot? 52. Let's see. I do want to look at my P&L. 86. Yeah, well, there was half of that loss I could have just closed out of. That's okay. Okay, but I will take 20 and no less than $20. Looks like we're starting back down. I just added to it. Now I'm in a terrible short position. All right, we're still doing the same thing. Play the 86 level. I'm gonna add here. Okay, so the average price is 70. That's not too bad. Nice little rejection off of 75s. Well, actually, that's 80s. Yeah. Let's see. It's 5 minute. Look at that. Got 2 minutes left. You should fill the bar. That's what you should do. Yeah, 2 minutes left exactly in this 5 minute bar. I want to see if this fills out. Needs to close under like 66s. Holy shit. Holy shit. Yo, get me out. What the fuck? It's not even responding to my keys right now. There we go. Wow. That's why you trade with brackets. I should have put another couple stops up there. Got out at 06. I mean, whatever. That's fine. Wow. That was really fast. 1 minute left. Ooh. It was bad. 172 down. Jesus. Okay. I think that was a stop hunt. Am I being stubborn here? Just got short again. What was the previous high? Oh, ones. Okay. Can do that. I'm gonna short some more. It is being really bullish though. Oh my god. Alright. I think I gotta stop. Oh my god. Totally wiped myself today. Jeez. 215 down. Trade count is stupid high. I'm trading past the 30-minute mark. Also over trading. 84s, man. This trade count is crazy high. Ugh, I gotta bring this down. I can't really review these trades if I have so many trades to review. And my hold time, average hold time is 27 seconds. 85s. Let's see what happens here. Okay, so the plan is to play this under 80s, or over 80s, I should say. Let me put these stops in. I've learned my lesson. I think these bars are just going to be... Oh my god. I'm going to stop twice again. Man, brutal. Okay, I think I'm done. 254 down. Wiped yesterday, which was only like 100. Or no, actually, yesterday was a $300 winner. So now it's a $46 winner. Over the last 2 days, including today and yesterday, I made 50 bucks. But if you include the days before that, I'm down like 1,500. So, there's that. Okay, so 85, not really looking like it's bouncing. It's over the EMA. It's really indecisive, look at this. Just jabbing up and down, jabbing up and down. Did we have that before somewhere? Yeah, I guess at the open yesterday. But we hit the top of the range on the fives, which is probably what this is on the way to doing. So I'm going to play this long, and I'm going to... Problem is, because of the low volatility, the stops have to be wider. I'll just have this one trade on, and if we can get it up to like 950, if you look at these, all right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to stay in one, I'm going to hold it for at least 5 minutes. Basically, this is an over 85 play with a target of 50, 950, and I'll make the stop 64s. So this is a 20-point stop, $40 of risk, basically risking the entire day from yesterday. Oh, excuse me. But due to the low volatility, I kind of just want to get out of this and take a little winner and leave with my tail between my legs, that kind of thing. I guess we'll just make it break even for now, because we want to practice holding. Okay, it's grinding the top of the range bars, good stuff. Maybe we'll get a nice little similar push. Should be adding, but yeah, just decided not to, I guess. 912. Yeah, it would be $100 right now if I had made it 2. Okay, let's see if we get a low here somewhere. Where would we get a low? If we get like a perfect O's touch, I'll add on that. We did get to a 175. Let's see. So, probably going to come down to like 90s, I'm thinking. Getting our O touch now. Sub O's. I'm going to put a stop entry at 175. Wow, look at this. Whoops, that's not what I meant to do. But whatever, I guess it's better than holding this through a major dump. Okay, I'm going to get long again over 85s. Actually, I'll hold it for 10 points. Yeah. That last one was only $16, but it went as high as like 50. So, yeah, I got less than half of what the max was. case, we're at 90. Looks like it's finding some support, so I'm going to go ahead and add to it. Could be absolutely bananas wrong. So if I am, so be it. Let's just get out of one here. As a stop, so I'm in long. I still want to see a rally. Wow, look at that though. This kind of looks like it's turning around, doesn't it? First red bar of this up move. And it is a bit of a doji, which is concerning. But we're at the bottom of the range bars. I think we should at least get a pin up to 10. Let's see if we can at least get a pin up to 10. That would be 20 points. $40 with 2 contracts. So far, does not look like it's going to happen. Just put this at 79.50. Mamma mia, are you going to bounce or what? I guess not, huh? Oh, let's move it down one tick. Oh, no. It is what it is. I think I've just wiped the entire day from yesterday. Yeah. It's already getting like way past 9 o'clock, and this is where volatility is just not in my domain. I will put on a 1 contract short just because on the 5, this looks like could be going to the downside. Did we actually print under 80s there? We printed to 75 on the dot, but 75, actually it has bounced off 75 previously. And I took a short entry right at the bottom there, right at 77s. Could ride this all the way up. It's not good. We'll just keep this under, I want to say 85s, but it's being violated heavily. Okay, so the goal is to try and hold this for over 5 minutes. Was the last one a 5-minute hold? No, it was not. 2-minute hold here. 3-minute hold earlier. Turned out to be a winner. Look how many losers in a row I had. Wow. I want to see after 9 o'clock how many winners versus losers by time breakdown would be good. So let's see. Oh, also I need to turn up my gain, I think. I'll have to check this video today and then come back to it. Still short. Came up to 87s. Okay, that was a great spot to add to it. I'm going to go ahead and add to it here. New lows, let's go. On the 5-minute bar, this looks pretty promising for the downside. See all these pins? And now if this closes down here full-bodied, it's a great bearish signal. Okay, looks pretty good so far. $60 in the money. I mean, that's okay. It's not too bad. I might put a trailing stop with 1 contract just so I can add if it comes back to my entry. Let me go ahead and get out if it comes back up to 67s. Okay, so I got out of 1 for 67. For that was like $15. And the rest, let's see, was that a 65 bounce though? It was a 65 bounce, which I really like as bounces, but we're in this 5-minute downturn. New high would be over 96s. Which is 20 points away. Over 20 points away. I'm not going to hold it that long. Okay, I should have added there. That was my bad. Came right up to my entry and I didn't add. Sorry, I'm still sick. Just getting over it though. Okay, we are practicing a 5-minute hold. Let me see if I can get entry time on here. No, I don't have a stop in. I should probably. It's like I haven't learned my lesson. All right, I'm going to put it at 86s. Let's make it 27, so it's roughly 12 points. A little bit more, actually. Select column. I want to know, ooh, bot contract. What do I need? I need the time. Timestamp? That be it? No, that's silly. Oh, okay, there we go. 9/18/25 is when that was entered. Yeah, see, look at this, 65 bounce. I'm telling you, it's good stuff. Good short more here under 75s. Let's see if we're topping out under 75s here. Oh, look at that. It updates to the most recent entry. So I know it was 18 was the first entry. Let's see if we can hold to 25. And I'm going to wait 2 5-minute bars. All right, so we just had a 5-minute bar start. I'm going to wait on 2 of them to print on the screen. It looks like there should be a decent drop here. It's going very slowly and nonchalantly, though. Right. Once again, this is an exercise to practice patience. We have our stops. Just need to wait for this trade to resolve. It's really kind of printing a bottom here is what it looks like. The 5-minute bars. So the 1x that I just had was right over 75s. And it came right back under it. How much of a loser was that? $4. They rejected off of it pretty well, so still thinking that's good. Man, not liking it. I'm gonna get out. I think I'm 300 down today. Yeah, 300 up yesterday, 300 down today. I'm past my time limit. I didn't hold for these 2 5-minute bars because I am being an absolute terrible trader today. I will get in a short again after losing money. Let's see, that was a top of 78s, 77s. Jeez, man. All right. I need to wait for these 2 5-minute bars to resolve, right? So I have until 9:30. Yeah. So basically 9:30 is when I'm allowed to exit my position. Unless my stop is hit. And I'm going to keep my stop over 85s. I'm actually going to keep it at 82s. Exactly 10 points. Yeah, see, if I was just a little bit more patient there earlier, so it would have worked out for me. Would have been in the money again. It's just the nerves, I think. Just get more nerves when there's more on the line, even though these are micro contracts. So silly. I really need to focus on getting over that ridiculous, irrational fear. Still waiting on this to push deeper. Kept talking about how I would add if we get into 85s. And then didn't really do that. Just kind of going against what I said. No bueno. Alright. Of course, when I only have one contract on, we make the run. As lovely as this looks, I will wait another 7 minutes. Or no, 6 minutes. So this 5-minute bar is about to close. And how does the 15 look? Ooh, look at this engulfing on the 15. Wow. If this closes down here, or even lower, wow, that'd be awesome. You know, for shorts, that is. Yeah, hourly still looks pretty violently down. I don't know, it could be a situation like this. because we're already into the Bolly band there. 5 minutes and 30 seconds left. It was $40, $50 there. So typically I would get out and consider flipping and be watching these smaller levels. 45, gray level. I'm going to consider this a pullback. 45 is actually, it's a good bounce spot because it's within 5 points of 50. So in my opinion, that's a pretty good entry. Okay, that was a touch off of 63. Okay. Okay, practicing patience here. We're not going to get out of this trade until 9:30 Central. So far, so good. I do want to add, but I know that'll screw up my plan if I add. It would be good practice though, wouldn't it? Oops, shit. Just got in 2 instead of 1. So I'm in 3 now. That's not what I wanted to do. Crap. Alright, whatever, I'll hold it. I'll hold it until 9:30, 4 minutes and 30 seconds left. Kind of a weak 5-minute bar. Let's see if we get one that's a nice flush. Flush to 800. Higher time frame. Support levels. Where are they? I mean, they're actually around here. We're still in this support area. This is the deepest stab into it, though. The last hour was the deepest stab into it. About halfway through the hour, and most of the volume has been on the upper half of this previous hourly candle. So, yeah, this is tough. This is, I mean, it could be something like this, perhaps. Grind into the top, dump, have one rally hour, pin it out, and then continue to the downside. Look at this huge. Oh, see, this is where I wanted to add to it, if I was to add to it. The problem with these longer hold times is, man, these losses are just, you have to have wider stops, and it's just like, just sitting there watching your, like for me, I don't know, I guess because the target was zeros, wow. Because the target was zeros, it's okay. Was that a perfect touch? Almost. Just going YOLO ham here. Kind of throwing the day away now. So now I've lost yesterday and 20 bucks. Over 86s, I will get out of everything and take a lump of $100, probably. 1, 2, 3. Okay. RSI is really low on the hourly. 5-minute RSI. It's probably on its way up. Yeah. That's okay. It is what it is. Crap happens. So we tried to short, we were right, and pullback was weak. Or continuation was weak, I should say. Pullback was strong. I lost 20, there's that $20. Looks like it's going to rally higher. Still trying to practice holding, so another 15 seconds left until I can start exiting according to the rule of holding for those two 5-minute bars. Let's just see how it'll print. It's going to be green, isn't it? Yeah, it's green and it's engulfing. Unless it comes down. Oh, it's barely engulfing. Okay. Hard to tell. This makes me think it'll just like come up and hit like 50 and then roll over. Because that's what it does. How often does it actually come up off the bottom and not come up in kind of like the top fifth of the range? Always does. Every dump comes back up to the top volley band. So that's probably what it's doing. Well, I mean, I can technically exit now. I have my stops in. It's basically at these new highs. Let's see what happens. God, my average price is so bad. So I had one fat finger error today that really, like, this should have been one contract and then possibly more added up here. But instead I added more down here. Or no, I was only wanting to add one and I added two on accident. Not a huge deal, I guess. I do want to add to it more. It's so slow right now. It's over 75. I'm going to add to it. Oh, come on. Okay, I added to it, so we're in 4. Pretty risky. 4 contracts. It's kind of painting a bottom at these 65s. Right where I got it. I could reset here, meaning I could get out of everything. Or we could hold for continuation on the 5-minute bars. Definitely looks like it's respecting some kind of trend line, right? Like a big one. Alright, let's practice holding and give this another 10 minutes or something. $64s. About $7 for each contract right now. About 10. Looking good. Let's see some continuation. There's gonna be no like cool volatility right now. It's gonna be slow, grindy crap because it's past the open. No significant events today, except there's crude inventory. Oh, that's actually that just came out, right? Oh yeah, that stuff did just. Or no, it didn't come out. The thing that just came out was natural gas inventories, which has a low trading impact. Let's see where we get on this 5-minute. We obviously want new lows. We're going to wait 10 minutes, right? We're going to wait for 2 more 5-minute bars to print. 50 bounds. Look at that. Can make a cool 100 bucks if I close out right. Oh, I'm going to go ahead and close out one. If I close out another one. Okay, so we're out of 2. Are they both from right here? What? Oh, I guess they are. And then these last 2 are the ones that are going to make the money. 61. So I kind of violated the rule. I said 2 5-minute bars before I start exiting. Did not wait that out. But I'll pay the price by having a red day. Our goal is new lows. Average was, I think the average was 65 or something before. Now the average is 72. Because the last two I got in were up here. Still waiting for this 5-minute to close. Well, I mean, the 5 just closed. This previous one, which is engulfing. Great sign. This new one's already starting to the downside. Also a great sign. Seems like a rejection so far. Yeah, you can kind of draw a trend line right here. Let's see if we get new lows now. Let's see. Yeah, so see if I had held on to all 4 of them, I would actually be, I think, closer to 200 on the money now, rather than 120. But hey, you know, this is a third of the day. Our target is going to be zeros, 800s, or like at least under 810. Oh my god. I don't usually trade this long. Could get a 1 for 60 here. That would put me back into the realm of profitable. Yeah, why not? Let's do it. All right. Got one more. Hey, so now if we count yesterday, I'm still up roughly 40 bucks. And after I close this one, I'll be up still, counting today and yesterday, I'll still be up roughly 100 bucks. So if this goes to zeros, then I mean, that's another 40 points, which is $80 more. So we'll see. So yeah, I mean, I was correct in my analysis, but my execution is very crap. Even when I'm speaking out loud, saying what I'm going to do, it just seems like I'll see something on the level 2 and it'll convince me to change my position. But in these later time, like after 9, I don't look at the level 2 anymore because it's just too noisy. Whereas in the first 30 minutes from 8:30 to 9 my time central, from 8:30 to 9, you can have really violent moves and they're very directional. I mean, this was after 9 still, but I mean, if we look at 8:30, right? So where was 8:30? Today was really chop though. Here's 8:30 right here. Had a bit of a downtrend, but otherwise started chopping and it took all of 10 minutes. So today, yeah, no real violent moves today. Um, Look at this rally. What was that off of? 35s, 40 level. 40 levels can be decent for bounces for sure. Let's see, where would this rally to? I'm not going to take less than 20 bucks off of this trade. If we get stopped, we get stopped. It's whatever. There's no real level here. Hmm. Because it was so close to my, well, it wasn't close to my entry. We shall see. Let's see. We're not going to have any violent moves, unfortunately. Okay, so the second 5-minute bar is about to close here in 10 seconds. That looks like a doji, so kind of looks like it'll turn to the upside here. A 50 bounce is likely. Okay, that 5-minute just closed. And, looks like so far, very hard to tell. I think we're going to bounce though. It's just so noisy, I can't look at the level 2. I gotta look at higher time frame charts. And they all say to be short. Alright, I'll just check my voicemails. I think I'm getting some call center calls recently. Dumperino so far. Wanted to get into another one at 50s, but I don't know. I didn't know where I would put the stop, so because it would average my price down so much. Yeah, I could still add a little here, I guess. All right, we can add, and then the stop will be at 55s, which is really, really tight. Actually, even tighter, probably, 51s or something. Yeah, let's do 53s on the dead. Okay. Oh, now my entry is 47. Great. So what we want to do is we want to add when we're out of the money, even though it's like an advanced skill, because then our average price gets better. But yeah, my thinking was that it was going to rally, which is kind of what it's doing. $35 winner. I figured it would rally because of the pin of the last bar. About halfway through this 5-minute bar, and I'm about to be stopped out. Yeah, whatever. 300, yeah, 250. Still up on the day, 50 bucks from yesterday. I mean, if we include yesterday. That's just something I'm telling myself to feel better. Let me see if I can switch to the review. Aha, okay. Let me add my trades and everything. So what I'll do is I'll export my trades from the Performance Center. Man, 99 trades today. That is just too much. I know my style is pretty... My style's pretty crazy, I guess, but only off the open. Okay, let's see here. Add trades. And I'm going to find my trades. Upload them. What? What the heck just happened? Whoa, that's weird. Whoa, oh, there it goes. Huh, that's strange. Negative 135. Ooh, look at the trade count, so high. Okay, let's take some screenshots. Alrighty, here we go. Copied that screenshot, pasting that in here. Whoa. Okay, let me add some more screenshots here. So with that, let me get the show the fills. And I'm going to do it in chunks because there's just so much. Okay, copying another image. Given that it's trading back up into 75s and 80s, it's just a different style. It's hard for me to do higher time frame stuff, but I really need to learn it. It's really important. Okay. Just take a screeny. Just taking more screenshots, bear with me. Slowly adding them. Just pasting another one. Paste one last one. Well, one last range bar paste. There's that one, and then let me do a 5-minute, and that's it. On the 5-minute bar, I look like I smoke meth or something because of how much I've traded in some of these bars. Ridiculous. Like, look at this. I'm going to paste it in. Look at this. Here's the 5-minute chart. Look at how many entries and exits on this one 5-minute bar, and then the next one, and the next one. I know it's the open, but still. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, I've always done this similar style, and over time I've noticed it's getting better. And now I'm kind of oscillating around break even, usually on a month, but I still have. I mean, it's not something you can live off. All right, let me write a note about today. Let's see, still feeling a little sick. But we traded today and experimented with wider stops, longer holds. Longer holds should be practiced with what should longer holds be practiced with? Longer holds should be practiced with one contract. For now, since scaling really throws off how about this? Longer holds should be practiced with one contract for now and should only be added to if a new stop is in mind. And I should reveal these. Oh. What I need to do is I need to add a magnifier for these. They're so small. I know there's a built-in Windows magnifier. So, let me see, would that even work? Let me see, magnifier. It's decent. I don't know if you guys can see that on the stream, but I've got it magnifying everything. Can you? No, I don't think you can see it. That's weird. Yeah, I can't tell. No, I don't think you guys see it. I'm not sharing my whole screen, just the browser window, so let me close the magnifier. But a built-in magnifier, that wouldn't, or just zooming in on the image. Can I make it bigger? I don't think so. Huh, interesting. Oh, there we go. Yeah, you can just do like a control zoom. Control scroll. Didn't get the top of this candle in my screenshot. Oh my gosh. All right. Oh. Still feeling a little sick. Overtraded today and experimented with wider stops, longer holds. Longer holds should practice one contract for now and should only be added to if a new stop is in mind. What else? What else? At 9 a.m. CST, no more L2 trading. Only 5-minute charts and up. Hold time. So I think I'm going to do my same scalping strategy. I'll just look for levels on the 5-minute and still get out for the same 10 or 20 point target. Even though it's more noisy, that's what I'm going to experiment with going forward. I remember I started out the day kind of flat. You know what I'm going to add here? I'm going to add a column that shows, whoa, where are the points? That's weird. Huh. No points. It's interesting. Let's save this note. Whoa, the third bar's not showing either. What is going on? Huh. That's weird. Wow, I got some stuff to check out. Let's see here. Still no points. Interesting. I wonder if it's actually even in there. Is it in there and just not being shown? No, it's completely empty. Interesting. Huh. I'll have to check that out. Okay. Let's see. What do I want to comment on really here? See, the thing is, there's just way too many trades for me to go through. That's my problem. I gotta reduce my trade count. Let's see, we're at 9. Let's go off times. Going forward, we'll trade to past 9 a.m. CST. Okay. But yeah, I'm gonna have a column with the account P&L or the daily P&L, so that you can see where you were at when you were in the trade or when you got into that trade, how deep or how high your account was. Lots of shorts today. I need to put some metrics up here for like most shorts, most longs. Let's see. What can I do? These were both decent trades. All the initial trades were decent. It's a quick like 60 bucks, 70 bucks. This is good off the beginning of the day. Yeah, it was great. I mean, it was up 96 after fees. Yeah, so that's something I did pretty bad too, was I gave it all back. And I think this was really early. I think this was like 5 minutes into the day or something. Because it was so early, I was okay with giving back more. So I'm just going to leave that as another note. Also didn't stop once I gave back 50% of the day and managed to dig a deep hole, undoing yesterday's profits. Yeah, so regardless of, I don't know if that should be a hard and fast rule. I guess it should be, right? Regardless of time, stop for the day after 50%. After giving back 50%. Okay. That's updated. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and post this. Just take a quick look together. Okay. Yeah, this only shows gross for now, but that's okay. 46 winning trades, 53 losing trades. About the same for largest trade. Hold time on the winners was good. Not too bad. All right. All right, well, that's it, guys. I will catch you tomorrow, I think. I don't think I've traded a Friday in like 3 weeks, so tomorrow will be my first one. All right, I'm gonna post this on the description of this in the description of this video, and otherwise I will catch you guys tomorrow. Stay safe, trade well, don't do drugs, and yeah, let's trade tomorrow. Make some more money. Well, for me, I will have to make money and make up stuff. You can make more money or whatever. I feel like I'm missing something. Oh yeah, promo code for Tradeovate. Not Tradeovate, Tradeogram. If you want it, just let me know. Reach out. I can hook you up. And yeah, next